How you doing, GX community? This is GX Bob. I just wanted to share with you guys a little tip I've learned while being in the mobile electronics industry for over a decade. Come on, follow me. If you guys can tell, I'm about 10, 15, maybe 20 feet in front of my vehicle right now. If I go ahead and hit the lock button, it should be able to lock within 20 feet. Okay, so let's go out another 60 feet. Let's go ahead. We're out about maybe 60 to 70 feet in front of my vehicle right now. Let's go ahead and push the unlock button, and you should see my turn signals light up. There you go, my headlights coming on. Reception pretty good, right? At 60 feet. Let's go ahead and go out to about 80 feet. We're here about 80 feet. Let's go ahead and lock our car. Okay, there you go. You saw the signals turn on. Let's go out to about maybe 100 feet. The purpose of what we're doing right now is to see how far we can go until our remotes don't work anymore. Okay, so let's go out to 100 feet. Come on. I think this is good right here, so let's go ahead and check out our vehicle at 100 feet. It's unlocked right now. Let's go ahead and push the lock button. Let's see if it lights up. I'm pushing the lock button and it's not lighting up. But check this out, guys. If I hold this up to my face, to the bone structure of my face, to my cranium, it's weird. I can't explain the science behind it, but the cranial capacity actually amplifies the range for your key fob. You guys go ahead and test this out. I'm not lying, it actually really works. So right now, the car is unlocked. You already saw me try to lock it and it wouldn't work. Let's hold it up to the bone cheeks or under your chin or wherever, as long as you're holding it up to your cranium, okay? So let's go ahead and push lock. Strange, isn't that? I know. Don't ask me about the science behind it. I can't explain it either. Your cranium actually amplifies the signal. I've been doing this for like the longest time. Every single day, it's just by habit. I always hold it up to my cranium and I always hit the lock or the unlock button. I never do this anymore just because this actually works. So I'm just kind of curious on how far we can go trying to do this trick. So let's go out another 50 feet. Let's go out to 150 feet. Come on, guys. We are pretty far from the vehicle right now. We're at about 150 feet. Okay, I'm just gonna prove to you guys that the regular lock and unlock button doesn't work without this cranium tip, okay? So let's go ahead, it's locked right now. Let's try to unlock. Not working. Let's go ahead and stick it to our chin, cheekbones or whatever again. And let's go ahead and try it again, okay? It's working. I can't explain it, guys. I seriously can't explain it, man. All right, hope it's so weird. Okay, we're back out at 150 feet. I'm gonna go ahead and lock the car without using my cranium. It's not working. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put it up to my cheekbone underneath my chin. There you go, guys, it's working. I'm out at about 150 feet to 160 feet. Okay, guys, now I just want to go out to maybe 200 feet. Let's see if it works. Okay, guys, I'm out about 200 feet. I'm going to go ahead and test the remotes without my cheekbones. It's not working. Now I'm going to go ahead and stick it underneath my chin. There you go. We're at 200 feet. Let's go ahead and try 250 feet. Right guys, we're about 250 feet. I'm gonna go ahead and skip locking and unlocking it with just the key fob. I'm gonna go ahead and stick it straight to my cheekbone and see if it'll work. Okay, at 250 feet, it stopped working. So we know our limits. Our limits is at about 200 feet. Well, there you guys have it. Trying to explain the unexplainable. It was just the thing to do when I first started many years ago working on stereo systems and alarm systems. My trainer actually told me to do that, and I never asked why, because I just kept doing it and it just worked for some reason. And yeah, try Googling that and see if you guys come up with something, or go out to your car right now and see how far you could go just using your key fob. And once it stops working with your key fob, go ahead and put it underneath your chin or up against your cheekbone and see if it works. So strange. Hey guys, it's GX Bob here, coming to you guys again just to give you guys a little update. A couple of months ago, I don't know if you guys remembered, but I did make a video about key fob range extension using your cranial capacity. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on what happened. It's probably not related at all, but ever since I've made that video, my hair has been falling out. I did go see a doctor and discovered a vast amount of radioactive activity in the lower jaw portion, and nobody could understand or figure out why, not even the doctor. So I don't know, but I do think it has something to do with me eating instant noodles on a daily basis. But the doctor did say if I continue to do whatever I'm doing, living the same lifestyle that I've been living and doing the same habits that I've been going through every single day, I will probably end up with I don't know, stage 4 brain cancer or something. We don't want that, so I'm going to stop eating instant noodles. But as far as the key fob range thing going to your jaw thing, works beautiful. It's been a couple of months now. I've been doing it every day. Sometimes I just watch TV and I just start doing this all over my head with my key fob. Oh, and I just love hearing my car lock and unlock all day long, and it's just fun. It's just so fun.